In this video, I'm going to talk about awake functionality within the powertoys tool application. Now, awake is a functionality basically to keep the PC awake on demand. Now, I know there are various power options available within Windows operating system like Windows 10, Windows 11. You can use it, but it's very hard to find those uh, settings. And if you even find that setting, sometimes you may even forget to set it back, okay, to the old setting. Now, this is a handy way to and a more user-friendly way to keep your PC awake on demand. Okay. Now, the behavior mode, if you see over here, is awake indefinitely, awake for a time period, awake until time expiration, and based on the selected power plan. Now we have an ability to keep the screen on every time as well over here. Okay. Now in order to demonstrate this, let me go into my application. So here in PowerToy setting, you have an application called as Awake. Now here you need to first turn this on, okay, to make this setting enable. Okay, so once you enable this awake option, then under this mode, okay, you can make all the settings, different settings. Now before we even go that, first let me show you what is there in Windows. Okay, now in Windows, if you go to control panel, hardware and sound, power options, edit plan settings, you can see the setting over here. Now the setting says if the say your laptop is on a battery, then turn off the display after X minutes of time. And if it is plugged in, then do it never, So like this, here you can turn off the screen and put the computer to sleep. Those kind of things you can do. And if you go to change advanced power settings, then you can see this more detailed information. Okay, now it's a bit I would say sophisticated information, and you may not want to do or tamper any settings over here. Okay, now rather than that, what I would prefer is going over here, and if I want my PC to be awake for say 24 hours, okay, what I can do, I can select over here mode, and I would say keep awake for a time interval. Okay, now here I can put the time. Okay, so let me say if I put this PC awake for say 24 hours, okay, and maybe 0 minutes, keep the screen on. Okay, I can do that. Okay, let me make this 24. Okay, yeah. Now, other option is I can keep awake until expiration. Now, keep awake until expiration means I can put some date. I can say I want this PC to be awake till 8th of December, okay, 2023. I can even do that. And end time is 12:46. Okay, that is also available. Other thing, I can keep awake indefinitely. I don't want my PC to sleep. Okay, I will keep it awake indefinitely. And then other is respect the Windows plan. So if you keep using the selected power plan, then whatever default is available in your Windows default plan, this will be respected. Okay, so that's it, folks. This is all about awake functionality to keep your PC awake on demand. So whenever you have a need to keep running your PC for a specific amount of time or for a specific date time, then make use of this functionality. Thanks for watching.